What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the best way to invest your 2024 income tax refund. Okay, I know this is the season you're going to get the money and you're trying to figure out what to do with it, how to make it stretch, how to make it flip. This is your one opportunity to go ahead and get into something that's going to be life-changing, something that's going to put you and your family ahead. And today I got you. I'm going to show you how to take at least half. I'm not going to sit here and tell you to invest the whole thing. I'm not going to sit here and be unrealistic and say, don't go out and splurge, don't have a good time. But what I am saying is that this comes once a year. You work for 12 months and this comes once a year. And I want you to be able to capitalize on your income tax this season. And I'm going to show you exactly how to make your money work for you by doing something part-time, something super simple, and something that you don't need any prior knowledge, any specialty license, or any extra type of money to get into the space. You can call it a side hustle, you can call it a main hustle, whatever you want to call it. This year, before you spend your income tax, please watch this video in its entirety and thank me later, okay? If you have any questions, comments, or concerns after the video, there's going to be a link in the description. Click the link in the description. Do a free discovery call. We can hop on the phone. I can answer your questions. But before you spend your income tax money, stop. Watch this video. I got you. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into it. So today we're going to be talking about something called wholesale real estate. It is the art of playing the middle. You find a seller, you find a buyer, and then you make the money in the middle. Let's jump into it. You're going to need 3 sites and 3 sites only. Don't confuse this. Don't make this hard. Take out your pen and paper and follow along, okay? The first site is going to be Zillow.com. Zillow.com, Zillo.com. Once you get to Zillow.com, you're going to type in an area, right? Let's just go with Austin, Texas. We're going to go Austin, Texas. Again, you can use any city, state, doesn't matter. We're going to go up to the top and we're going to go for sale. We're going to put up to, let's go 100,000 beds and bath, any home type, just go houses. And then more, I want it to be by owner and other, okay? Owner and other. Those are going to be what you're going to be looking for. And then we're going to hit apply. Now, what this is going to do, guys, we are going to be looking for properties that are for sale under $100,000, okay, in the Austin, Texas area. Now, if you know anything about the state of Texas, it's big. So Austin's a big place. So you can break that down to sub-cities or suburbs or whatever the case may be. You can break that down later. But right now, we're going to be just using like kind of just generic type areas for right now. So now when you see it, right now, we only have these 2 properties, okay? So right now, we're going to be looking at the 79 days on Zillow. The longer that it's on Zillow, the better that it is because it makes the seller a little more uneasy because they've had it on the market for so long. So it gives you some more talking points, okay? So we're going to go right here. We're going to open this up. When we open this up, we're going to look at the pictures. Now, when you're doing this, we're looking for the bandos, the trap houses, the abandoned homes. This is one type. This is one style where you can find where the home is either abandoned for 2 reasons. The owners either don't have the money or they don't have the care, right? They either don't have the money to do repairs or they don't care enough to do the repairs. Either way, I like it. Now, this is at $15,000. This is the address. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 750 square feet. And you can look at this property. You can see that it's run down. It looks crazy. It needs a lot of work. No problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this address and then I'm going to take it to another website called propstream.com, okay? Propstream.com. It's normally $97 a month. If you don't have the money, cool, no problem. I'm going to leave a link in the description for a 7-day free trial so you can test it out and see if you like it. If you do like it, keep it. If you don't, take advantage of the 7 days, go crazy, build as much as you can from it, and then move on, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this address and I'm going to put it right here. When I take this address, I'm going to be looking to see what's going on with this property, okay? Let's see. Boom. Let's do this one, right? When we open it up, we're going to start looking at different things, right? It's going to tell you the owner's name. Again, this is all public information, nothing scammy, nothing spammy. We're not doing anything illegal. This is all public information, okay? So it's going to tell you the estimated value. It's going to tell you right here that they have 4 linked properties. The owner's name, this is when they bought it. They bought it in 2019. It was a cash sale. So you're giving you all the information that you need. It's off market, distress, short term, no HOAs, an individual. They've had it for 4 years, meaning they've only had this house for 4 years, and the lot is huge. It's 43,000 square feet, but the property itself is only 798 square feet. So it's probably more so about the land than it is about the house, which is cool, no problem. Because land is valuable just as much as the house is. When people buy land, they can build on it. They now own the land. So if this is over 43,000 square feet, you could put 2 or 3 houses on this property. You can build those townhomes that are 3 stories high, stack them up. You can do whatever you want on this property because you are now the owner. So this person is selling the property at $15,000 based off of the Zillow information, okay? So here on PropStream, this is for you to get all the information, find out what's going on. They have more properties. So they have 4 other properties, meaning, okay, this is not their only property. There's someone who's familiar with buying, things of that nature. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take this address and we're going to go into a site called truepeoplesearch.com. Truepeoplesearch.com. You're going to take the address and you're going to put it in here. And now we're going to be looking for the phone number of the owner, okay? So what you're going to do is go back to property details and it says Ryan Plagman, okay? So we're going to look for Mr. Plagman's phone number. Public record again, Mr. Ryan P. Plagman. He's 50 years old. He lives in Austin. This is when his birthday is, and this is his phone number. This is his phone number. Guys, this is public information. I'm going to keep saying that because don't be afraid. Don't be nervous. You're not doing anything wrong. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up the phone. I'm going to call Mr. Plagman and say, hey, Mr. Plagman, my name is Rhonda. I'm an investor in your area, and I see that you have a property on Zillow at 11507 Tom Sassman Road in Austin. Is that your property? Of course it is, because I know it is. He's going to say, yeah, Rhonda, what's going on? What do you need? The property's already up on Zillow, whatever. He's going to be in a hurry. He's going to rush me. Cool, sir, no worries. I just want to see, by chance, can you tell me something more about the property or anything else that I should know? And then if he's saying yes or no, we're going to ask for a walkthrough. Hey, sir, do you mind if I come out to the property? You only have 2 focuses on this phone call. Are you selling? Yes. And can I come see the property? Those are the only 2 questions. You don't have to be nervous. You don't have to be afraid. You don't need a script. You don't need to be anything. Just ask the 2 questions. Is it for sale? And can I come see the property? That's it. That's all. Yes, Rhonda, you can. No, Rhonda, you can't. That's what it is. The picture's on the page, whatever, right? Cool, no problem. Sir, by chance, would you mind doing a agreement with me? Sure, Rhonda. Maybe he might want earnest money. Earnest money where he says, hey, I need you to put down $300 to show me that you're serious. I need you to put down $500 to show me that you're serious. Now, some people will do that if they're getting a lot of calls, if they're getting a lot of people bothering them. They don't want their time to be wasted, right? But what I like to do is I like to push for a no earnest money. Hey, sir, I'm very interested in opportunity. I just need about 30 days, to go ahead and close this deal up with you. Is that okay? Either he's going to say yes or he's going to say no. Either way, we're going to come to an agreement. I'm going to give the agreement to him for $15,000. And we're going to have 30 days on our contract, all right? 30 days on my contract, I'm going to be out here marketing to people, Facebook, Instagram, Craigslist, local businesses, signs, newspapers, friends, family, whatever it takes to get this property sold. Even if I say I want to sell this property at $20,000, I'm still going to walk away with $5,000 in profit, right? Now, you're probably thinking, well, how does that work? You're going to sign an agreement with the seller for 15. Then you're going to assign the contract to a buyer at 20. And we're going to go off of the data that's here. That's why I said you're going to need PropStream. You're going to know what the estimated value is. You're going to know what's being sold in the area, what prices are going for, what houses are selling for. You're going to use all that data. But even if you put $5,000 on top of his price, we already know that the estimated value is $204,000, right? We already know that. So a $5,000 commission is great. People should be blowing your phone up about this property, okay? Now, once again, you get the seller to sign at 15, then you market the property at 20, you get a buyer to agree at 20, you're gonna take the seller and the buyer contract and take it to your local title company. Local title company, you're gonna say, hey, these are my documents. Title company is gonna say, you know what? Boom, we're gonna take it from here. After they do that, they're going to call you and you're going to go pick up your money. You're going to go pick up your money and you just made $5,000 for absolutely free. All you did was play the middle. Guys, understand this. I've been doing this since 2018. This is not new. There are tons and tons of properties out here. There are tons and tons of cities, states, little counties. You just have to do the work. So before you take your income tax and you blow it, use these 3 websites: Zillow.com, PropStream.com, which will be in the link below, and then TruePeopleSearch.com. Will it take a bunch of phone calls? Absolutely. But if you're going to let phone calls stop you from making $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 and more, then this is not the opportunity for you. But if you're willing to make the phone calls, do the work, and walk away with $5,000+ over and over again, this is definitely what you should be doing with your income tax in 2024. Guys, it's not new. This is not something that's going to go away tomorrow. This is something that people have done for a very long time, and it's working. So what you want to do is, at this point, click the link below in the description, set up your free consultation. Let's hop on the phone. Let me help you. Let me walk you through your first deal, and I'll talk to you soon. I'll see you on the other side.